in this video, I'm going to teach you a very easy liquidity sweep trading strategy. So this one is way different from what I have taught so far on this YouTube channel. I hope if you like this strategy, I hope that you subscribe to my channel because, I mean, you should, right? I'm giving away free information. Anyway, so during the Asian session or London session or New York session, you want to look for this pattern, right? So we have a move. So we make this what you call a resistance level, right? It must have like at least 3 touches, right? It could have 3. So 1, 2, 3, right? So let's keep it here for now. Okay, so the beginning of this move should be with the bullish candle, right? So there should be the highest candle, right? Could be bullish, but it is not necessary. If it is bullish, then it is a plus point. But if you have a bullish candle here, then you have a bearish candle here. The bearish candle must not close above the wick of that bullish candle. Okay, so the bearish candle must not close above that bullish candle. Clear? So the bearish candle must not close above, my God, guys, that bullish candle. There you go. So let's suppose that you have a bullish candle here, right? Bullish candle, and then price doesn't close above that level, above that bullish candle. We have 1 touch, we have 2 touch, we have 3 touch. So now what it's gonna happen is price is going to, let me draw this out. You want to wait for price to go above this level, not that high. All right, you wait for price to go up here, and you take your and you wait for price to come back, and then you take your entry on the retest of this level. Okay, so the price must come down with momentum, which is necessary. Okay, and you take your entry here and you target this low, could be anywhere down below, could be a fair value gap or anything. So, or you could take your entry from this extreme fair value gap, but make sure that but you should be clear that you are going to miss some trades if you are taking entry from here, right? Now you can take your entry from this level on the retest, and then you can put your stop loss either here, or you could put it right above the box or this high over here, right? So similarly, we have an example for a bullish trade. So we could be consolidating anywhere, right? So it could be somewhere here. So we have 1 touch, we then have 2 touch, right? And we could have 3 touch right here. So we have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. It doesn't need to go that up. So you draw the last candle should be bearish, right? It is a plus point if it is bearish candle. However, if you have a bearish candle here, the bullish candle below that candle must not break the low of that bearish candle, if that makes sense. Okay, and then you want to draw this out. Price can wick through it, but it should not close. Okay, so then you wait for price to simply fake out below this level. When it does, you wait for price to come back, and then you take your entry on the retest of this level that you have drawn, and then kaboom. So it is a very simple strategy, guys. You just wait for formation of a support level or resistance level. In other terms, this is a supply and demand areas, and people have their eyes on these levels, right? So they're going to be like, yo, price reacted from this level, right? And it went up. Now, when it comes back, we're going to take our longs, put our stop loss here. But what happens is price sweeps them out, takes them out, and then goes back, retest, collect some more orders here, and then it goes back up. So I'm going to give you guys a couple of examples, and then I'll end the video. Guys, so here is example number 1. So as you can see, we have this support, the resistance level here, and we mark out the origin of the resistance level, which is here, the bullish candle, right? And we have the 1 touch, we got the 2nd touch, and we got the 3rd touch, right? So we're going to wait for a fake out, which happens here, and then we wait for price to come back below this level. And we simply take our entry from this region, and we put our stop loss right above this level. You could put it here just to be on the safe side, but I always put it here. And on the hourly time frame, I just go for 1 to 3 But if you're looking at a 5-minute time frame, you should always go for 1 to 2 risk to reward. So let's see how this plays out. We got our entry, and as you can see the precision in this, it goes down right here. Now here's the thing, right? You maybe got off stopped at break even, but I would recommend that you don't go break even with this strategy. Okay, if you're looking at a smaller time frame, you go for 1 to 2. You do not move your stop loss, right? You just let the trade happen. And if you're looking at a 1 hour time frame, you go for 1 to 3. You do not move your stop loss. Quite simple, guys. So this was example number 1. As you can see, we had this resistance level. We got 1 touch, 2nd touch, sorry, 1 touch, 2nd touch, 3rd touch. We got the 4th touch as well, and then we faked out entry at the retest, and boom, this would have been a 1 to 4, but I will go for 1 to 3. So let's move on to the next example. So here's example number 2. As you can see, we have this resistance level. The origin of this level I have is the bullish candle. So we have 1 touch, right, and then we have the 2nd touch here, and then we got the 3rd touch here. Notice that the body of the candle did not close above this level. So now we are looking for a fake out above this level. So let's see how this plays out. And as you can see, price faked out above this level. So I will wait for price to come back below and close below this level. And as you can see, we have decent momentum. So now what I can do is I can take my entry right from the retest of this level, and I can put my stop loss here. You can notice that there's some fair value gap, right? So you could put it right here, but I only put it here, but you can do it, okay? Yeah, I might lose trades sometimes, and then price can reverse on me, but I like to keep my risk to reward ratios a little bit big. So I would usually go for 1 to 2 if I'm looking at this pattern on a 5-minute time frame. But if I'm looking at a 1 hour time frame, I could go for a minimum 3 risk to reward. So let's target this level, right, this low here. So let's see if we get our entry, and we got our entry right here. And if I play this through, you can see that we hit our take profit and price went all the way down. This would have been a 6 risk to reward, something like that, if we held the trade, or even more, guys. So yeah, you can see that it could have been a 10 risk to reward if you held the trade. This is crazy, right? You have to follow these simple rules, guys. Trading is, people have made trading so complicated. Like, they are so much into this deep thing called, I don't know, so many concepts, and they mix everything up, guys. Just keep it simple, just backtest it, and just try to improve that single trading strategy. Okay, just don't focus on all the other things, just stick with one thing. So you can see we had this origin with a bullish candle when we are looking for a short position, and we have this 1 touch, 2nd touch, 3rd touch, and then we have a fake out above this level, and then we go back, we retest this level, we have a stop here, and you can see price went all the way down. So I'm going to give you guys another example, and then I'll end the video. Okay guys, so here is an example number 3. As you can see, I have the support level. The beginning of that support level is a bearish candle, and if I drag this along, you can see that we went up touch, and this is all liquidity, guys. Okay, so if I play this through, you're gonna see we fake out, and then we wait for a reclaim of that level. And as you can see, we did go above this level with momentum, right? And if I take my long here, I put my stop here right below this level. This was a quite big stop loss, but we follow the rules, right? And as you can see, I'm on the 5-minute time frame, so I'm only gonna go for 1 to 2. So let's see how this plays out. And there you go, we hit our take profit level. Quite simple strategy, guys. You can literally just pass your FTMO challenge with this strategy. It's how simple it is. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll maybe see you guys in the next video.